Shout outs to my college buddies, Joe Janiskee and Aaron Speary. We saw Avenged Sevenfold twice in concert in college, including when Hail of the King came out. Love you guys, good memories, rock on. Alright, I didn't play the harder step chart because I don't have the energy, but at least I didn't miss any steps and I got the full combo. Love you, Joe and Aaron. Missed going to concerts and metal shows with you guys. So, here's the score. Dedicated to the boys. Okay, I don't know. I must have frickin'... There we go. S plus 94.86%. Fantastics 267, Excellence 98, and Fantastics again 81. I don't know what that's about, and 12 greats. So, love you guys. Hope you're doing well. Rock on. Peace out.